and welcome to week 2 of the YMME training, the 90-day challenge in getting your YouTube channel monetized. Our focus for this class is going to be on foundation, branding, and optimization. Remember in our last class, I told you guys that we're going to be setting up our YouTube channel properly, and we're going to be optimizing it and then branding it professionally and working through the YouTube studio. So that's what we're going to be achieving in today's class. Creating your YouTube channel shouldn't be something so difficult. It should be like a walk pass. It should just be like a walk in the park. You know, when you're just taking a stroll in the park, that's what it's supposed to be like. Setting up a professionally looking YouTube channel shouldn't be that difficult. So you might not be seeing my face maybe frequently in this class because I'm going to be practicalizing how to set up your YouTube channel, how to brand it, and how to walk through the YouTube studio, see all the features and what the YouTube studio looks like.
To start this process, the two applications that are you must have in your phone is the YouTube app and the YouTube Studio app, as you can see on your screen. Let's head over to the YouTube Studio and see what it looks like. So this is your YouTube Studio, and on in the YouTube Studio you can find a lot of features. As you can see, this is my dashboard, some of the videos that I've posted so far. So this is your channel customization. That's an arrow that is just by your left hand side. You click on it, it will show you how to customize and brand your YouTube video. The first thing you might want to put is your channel banner art. When you log into go to some YouTubers pages, you see that banner that shows you what their channel is all about and time they post. What you also need to do is to put in your description of your channel that is going to appear on your channel. Whenever anybody goes to your channel, they'll see the description, and that description would contain what your channel is all about. About, it's just like when you go to a website of a brand, their about page just tell people about what you do on your channel. Then another area you would also need to fill in is your YouTube, the links. YouTube allows you to add links to other social media platforms that you have or websites. So you can add as much as 5 links. Let's say you have Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, other accounts. You can add it to the YouTube links and link your social media so that when someone goes to your YouTube channel, they can also see other social media accounts that you have and maybe follow you from there, or go see your content in those other platforms.
Now that you have seen what it is like creating your own YouTube channel, setting it up and branding it professionally, I would like you to take this action tags and put it on the Telegram channel just like you did in the last class. Now your action tags would include creating your own channel. Create your own channel and let us see how you went about it. Tell us the name of your channel, upload your profile photo, upload your channel banner, write your about section. I'll give you a prompt that you can copy and paste. Link at least one social media account to your channel. Set your upload defaults like your title format and description, just like we did in this class. Remember I said that the tools you need to actually do all of these tasks is a Gmail account, not any other kind of account, a Gmail account. Don't use a Yahoo, Hotmail, or Outlook. It's not going to work. You need a proper Gmail account. You need Canva to create your channel banner art. You need a YouTube Studio application. And I'm hoping that at the end of this class, you would have downloaded the YouTube Studio application alongside your YouTube application. To remove your background, you can actually use Photopea or remove.bg if you are not subscribed for Canva Premium. You will post your new YouTube channel on the class community. That's the Telegram group that I'll be providing after this video. Congratulations, you have now successfully set up your professionally looking YouTube channel, and you have officially taken the first step into your 90-day YouTube monetization journey. Next week, we're going to explore how to find a niche, faceless channel models, keyword, and research topic tools. We're going to be exploring that in our next class. I hope you had a great time in this class. I'll see you guys in the next one.